By 2045, humanity will no longer wait for rain, we will command the sky itself. Imagine a world where droughts vanish, storms obey, and sunshine arrives on command. Quantum sensors will float in the stratosphere, AI algorithms will sculpt winds, and towers will summon rain where it's needed most. In Africa, deserts will bloom as clouds form within hours, bringing life where there was none for years. Farmers will rejoice, cities will survive floods, and humanity will finally breathe in harmony with nature. But who decides where the rain falls? Which nations will thrive, and which must wait? One miscalculation will summon storms where none should exist, reminding us that nature cannot be fully tamed. Countries will unite to regulate the skies, sharing knowledge and technology to prevent disasters. Families will dance in gentle rains. Children will marvel at clouds that follow human will. Engineers will monitor storms from orbiting satellites, adjusting weather patterns with a single touch. Every command will ripple across the planet, teaching humanity humility and caution. This is just the beginning. By 2045, the sky itself will respond to human touch. Storms will be gentle when needed or fierce to protect ecosystems. All guided by human hands, AI meteorologists will predict shifts in real time, sending alerts before a single drop falls. Entire cities will experience perfect sunlight, perfectly timed rain, as if nature obeyed a human heartbeat. Mountains will catch snow for reservoirs, rivers will swell only when needed, balancing life and resource. Farmers will no longer pray for rain, the sky will answer their needs on command. But with this power comes responsibility. One misstep could create disasters continents away. Scientists will debate every cloud, every wind pattern, as if the world's weather were a delicate symphony. Children in schools will learn to understand the weather like a living system, responding to human guidance. Global cooperation will ensure no region suffers while others prosper, creating a balance never seen before. Engineers will tweak microclouds, sculpting rain like artists shaping clay in the sky. Entire ecosystems will recover as the right amount of rain nourishes forests and rivers. By 2045, the sky will no longer be a mystery, it will be a canvas for human ingenuity. Satellites will weave networks in the sky, guiding storms like invisible strings. Rain will fall in perfect harmony, feeding crops while preventing floods. Hurricanes will be tamed before they reach cities, dissipating safely over oceans. People will walk outside without fear, knowing the sky responds to human guidance. Weather apps will not only forecast, they will command, letting humans request sun or shade. Engineers will sculpt snow over mountains, filling reservoirs and feeding rivers. Every storm, every ray of sunlight will carry the signature of human ingenuity. AI assistants will monitor emotional responses to weather, creating harmony between humans and nature. Global weather councils will coordinate every raindrop, sharing data instantaneously. Clouds will glow softly at night, guided by algorithms that predict moonlight and human needs. Rivers will flow steadily, lakes will fill safely, and cities will thrive under guided weather. By 2045, the Earth will feel alive, responding to humanity's touch in ways we never imagined. Lightning will dance at will, illuminating cities in synchronized patterns. Wind currents will be shaped like art, carrying clean energy across megacities. Weather forecasts will become weather commands, empowering humanity to thrive anywhere. Artificial storms will provide energy to cities, harnessed safely by atmospheric collectors. Every drop of rain will be measured, optimized, and delivered precisely where it is needed. Snow will fall only where it benefits nature, melting into rivers on schedule. Cities will thrive under clear skies, yet the clouds will always be watching, waiting to assist. Global coordination will prevent disasters before they even start. Children will grow up knowing the weather is not a threat, but a partner. AI will predict every micro change, ensuring balance between technology and nature. Storms will be redirected over uninhabited areas, preserving life while harnessing power. By 2045, humanity will no longer be at the mercy of the skies. The sky will answer to us. Rain will nourish forests and deserts alike. Sculpted by invisible hands, rivers will flow steadily, never too much, never too little. Storms will be choreographed like symphonies, beautiful yet precise. Wind will be harnessed for energy, shaped like currents of glowing art. Humans will communicate with the sky, sending signals that clouds respond to instantly. AI will anticipate every storm before it forms, preventing chaos before it begins. Weather disasters will become stories of the past, replaced by harmony and balance. Sunlight will be guided to cities in need, lighting streets perfectly. Snowfall will be precise, covering mountains to protect nature and provide water. Clouds will reflect art and emotion, glowing according to human need. By controlling weather, humans will learn humility and respect for nature. The sky will no longer be a mystery, but a partner in the human journey. Satellites will float like sentinels, scanning clouds and guiding rain. Thunder will strike only when needed, creating safe energy for cities below. Clouds will shimmer in colors reflecting Earth's harmony with human touch. Artificial weather systems will work silently, unnoticed. Yet essential to life, humans will feel the weather respond to thought, connecting mind and nature. Storms will be choreographed for energy collection, feeding cities safely. Global monitoring will prevent floods, droughts, and snow disasters. Children will grow up marveling at clouds that respond to human thought. By 2045, the sky will no longer be random, it will be humanity's partner. In 2045, we will command the weather with precision, summoning rain for crops or sunshine for cities. But will this power to control nature bring balance or chaos? Our minds will merge with machines, creating thoughts faster than language itself. Yet, will we still have original dreams, or only programmed ones? In 2045, robots will build homes, teach children, even care for the sick, but will human compassion fade into code? We will erase diseases through gene editing, designing children with perfect health and beauty, but who decides what perfect really means? Our cities will glow with clean fusion energy, air pure, oceans blue again, but will those who control this energy control the world? In 2045, technology will not just serve humanity, it will define it. The real question is, will we master it, or will it master us? It's the year 2045. Humanity no longer waits for rain, we decide when it falls. With the weather pattern controller, we can summon clouds, command wind, and shape temperature at will. Sounds like a miracle, right? But what happens when one nation controls the skies of another? Could rain become a weapon instead of a blessing? Imagine deserts blooming overnight, farmers smiling as crops flourish. No floods, no droughts. But what if nature fights back? Can balance survive when humans rewrite the rules of the atmosphere? We could save millions of lives from climate disasters. No more hurricanes, no more heat waves. But tell me, would the Earth forgive us for taking control of her heartbeat? Or would we face storms we can't predict? If we can control the weather, what comes next? The oceans? The tectonic plates? The DNA of life itself? Where does control end and creation begin? Maybe in 2045, we'll finally defeat nature's fury. Or maybe we'll just build a bigger storm inside ourselves. What do you think? Should we really play God with the sky, or let the Earth breathe on her own? Comments below for your suggestions.